This is a special report from About Space Today.
I'm David Denault, and this is a special report as NASA prepares for the rollback of the SLS. NASA is foregoing a launch opportunity Tuesday, September 27th, and preparing for a rollback while continuing to watch the weather forecast associated with Tropical Storm Ian. During a meeting Saturday morning, teams decided to stand down on preparing for the Tuesday launch to allow them to configure the systems for rolling back the Space Launch System rocket and the Orion spacecraft to the Vehicle Assembly Building. Engineers have deferred a final decision about the rollback to Sunday, September 25th, to allow for additional data gathering and analysis. If Artemis managers decide to roll back, it would begin late Sunday night or early Monday morning. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson said that if they decide to roll back to the VAB, it would likely be a mid-October launch.
Well, the mission management team is meeting this afternoon. They're going to look at it. They're going to see, is there still a possibility, or are they going to have to roll back into the Vehicle Assembly Building? If they decide that's the case, then it'll be an October launch. And October, I would say, although the window opens in early, I suspect it'll be more like the middle. Because remember, the first week of October, we've got another crew. It's an international crew, 2 international participants on the crew of 4 that are going to the International Space Station.
Nelson also had high praise for the launch team.
I'm very proud of the launch team. They do it right. They do it by the book. They do it very professionally. And that's why we have had this extraordinary success that we've had over the years.
The agency is taking a stepwise approach in its decision-making process to allow the agency to protect its employees by completing a safe roll in time for them to address the needs of their families, while also protecting the option to press ahead with another launch opportunity in the current window if weather predictions improve. I'm David Denault for About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.